We're talking about embellishments for I Got Rhythm. We might roll this over to our next session just so we can do these embellishments. We had the A7 embellishment, one finger to the D7. We've talked about this numerous times in our class, so it's in other videos. A7, and I can just strum it, D7. We have an E7. We can only play the top three strings, cannot play the A string in this thing. I'm making an E7, then I'm making a D, and then I'm sliding that D form to the 3rd fret and to the 4th fret. Now I'm block chording it. This is one technique, so watch this. And we have 2 measures, so each fret will be 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to strum it, you're going to have to be very careful not to hit that A string because it'll be dissonant. I did that wrong. It's dissonant. So when I'm strumming it, it's more like a flick. So I'm taking aim on the top 3 strings and trying to avoid that A string. So it sounds and looks like this. See, I'm not hitting that A string. This takes some woodshedding. Or block chord it. Now, let's put it into the song very slowly. Let me find ourselves. Ask for anything more. It's just the bridge. Here we go. Oh man, trouble, I don't mind him. You won't find him. D minor 7. Round my door, G9. We're doing a chord substitution for that D minor to that G7. Let's try it one more time, just the bridge. 2, 3, 4. Oh man, trouble, I don't mind him. You won't find him round my door. I got starlight, we all got starlight.